Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce for chicken wings. First, gather your ingredients, including a base like ketchup, a liquid like apple cider vinegar, and a sweetener such as brown sugar. Ensure you have a saucepan, whisk, and measuring cups ready. Think about whether you prefer a sweet, tangy, or spicy sauce before you begin cooking. Now, let's get cooking. Combine your ketchup, vinegar, brown sugar, and any spices like paprika or garlic powder in a medium saucepan. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and well combined, ensuring no dry clumps remain. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat, stirring occasionally for about 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens. Once your sauce has simmered, it's time for the crucial taste test. Sample a small amount and decide if it needs more sweetness from brown sugar, more tang from vinegar, or a kick from cayenne pepper. If the sauce is too thin, continue simmering for a few more minutes, or for a quicker fix, stir in a cornstarch slurry to reach your ideal consistency. After achieving the perfect flavor and thickness, let your delicious homemade barbecue sauce cool down completely. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 10 days, ready for your next batch of chicken wings. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.